Is your garage door acting up? Struggling with a broken spring, damaged panel, or noisy opener? You're not alone. If you're in Santa Rosa, California, and need fast, reliable garage door repair, we're here to help. Sometimes, a malfunctioning garage door can disrupt your entire day. Whether you're stuck inside or unable to park your car, you need a solution fast. Don't let a broken garage door ruin your day. Call 877-735-7406 now to get help from certified professionals in Santa Rosa, California. We specialize in all garage door repairs, from spring replacements to opener fixes, so you can rest easy knowing you're in good hands. Our qualified experts are just a phone call away. We proudly serve Santa Rosa and the surrounding areas, offering same-day service to get your garage door back on track quickly and affordably. With years of experience, we understand the unique needs of homeowners in Santa Rosa. We offer transparent pricing, fast response times, and high-quality repairs. No job is too big or small. Don't wait for your garage door to get worse. Whether it's a simple fix or a major repair, we're ready to help. Call 877-735-7406 now for expert garage door repair services in Santa Rosa, California. We're here to make your life easier with fast, reliable solutions. Reach out today. Don't let your garage door problem linger. Call today and get your garage door working like new.